Welcome, Art Agent Specialists, to your mission inspiration for the month of September. Your mission, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are A. Add torn magazine image fragments. B. Add texture or structure paste, coloured if you wish. C. Include at least one focal image. D. Add drips or spritz of water. E. Make marks in your paint or paste. F. Include industrial or mechanical elements. G. Add paint with a spatula or some kind of flat edge. And finally, H. Add a quote, a phrase, or journaling. Your colours for the month are rust, grey, and verdigris. And your words for inspiration: magic, heartfelt, beauty, explore, and wonder. And remember, this mission will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.